Introducing the 5-4-3-2-1 method, a grounding exercise designed to promote mindfulness and relieve concerns. You can use this technique anywhere, like home, school, office, on the road, or even in a crowd. Whether you're seated, standing, or lying down, engage your senses to observe your surroundings and regain a sense of calm. Start the exercise by counting down from 5 and actively engage your senses to observe your surroundings. Pay attention to complex details. Begin with deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Spot 5 simple objects in your surroundings. It might be a cup on the table, a book on the shelf, a flower in a vase, a pen on your desk, or a chair in the room. Identify 4 textures you can touch. It could be the smooth surface of a table, the rough texture of a wall, the softness of a pillow, or the coolness of a glass. Listen for 3 sounds around you. It might be birds chirping, a distant car passing by, or the rustle of leaves in the wind. Now notice 2 smells nearby. It could be the aroma of food cooking or the scent of fresh rain in the air. Finally, acknowledge 1 feeling within you. It might be calmness, joy, or even curiosity. This practice grounds you, helping you stay in the present and maintain control over your environment. Now, practice this technique whenever you feel stressed, helping you regain control of the moment.